Welcome viewers. I'm gonna represent to solve the problem of iPhone 11 Pro SIM card not working. Let's dig in after the intro. First of all, I'm checking the status of my SIM card. Is it working or not? You can see the SIM is not working by inserting a SIM card in the slot showing no SIM card.
Unplug the wires as you see.
Let's unbind the screws and find the reasons why the SIM card is not working. Let's use a microscope and measure the SIM connector points by the multimeter. So, you can see the meter showing the voltage. So, pins are okay. Let's try to clean the SIM card connector point and slightly push up the connector pin. Now, SIM card is working.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and comments below.